Hello, everyone. This is Gabriel, and I want to welcome you to the forexhelper.com. And I also want to welcome you to Win University. I want to take time to explain exactly what this is all about. So basically, there's a new digital economy emerging and pretty much already here. There's still aspects of it where it's still in the making, but in reality, what's taking place is all of society is changing from the old way of doing things when it comes to exchanging services, goods and services, to a brand new way of conducting business, okay? And we're here to help make it easy for individuals to navigate through this new landscape, so to speak. All right. So in other words, everything that we're used to doing in the past, as far as money's concerned, as far as the economy's concerned, all of that is changing. That is going to no longer be the same anymore. All right. So with Win University, what we do here is we help teach you skills to help you navigate through this new type of digital economy. And we provide the resources for you to understand how everything works. We have two sections of our website. One section is for those who are interested in learning how to invest online. Those who want to grow their money using online trading techniques that I teach in my ebook. I also talk about these techniques on my videos. And once you learn how all of that works, then you can participate. So there's a lot of things available. I just want to welcome you all here. If you're interested in learning how to start your own internet business, there are courses available on that as well. But the most important thing is this. You're going to get the help that you need. So we have people on our team that are standing by to assist you. And that's one of the key components to this. Okay. All of the parts that are available to you is very important, but I believe the most important part is actually having someone there side by side with you, helping you along the way. I think this is the most important thing, because to navigate through this new digital economy is a little bit tricky, and it could be a little bit difficult, especially if you're not used to it, if you haven't even heard of it before, and you're not familiar with anything that is taking place now or anything that's about to take place, especially when it comes to the economy. So guys, I want to welcome you. Take your time, look through the website, look through the social media accounts for the Forex Helper, look through all the content as much as your heart's desire. And if you have any questions, contact us. Our team is standing by to help you. And thank you for your time. God bless.